Today I am going to share with you our different types of cubbies cable sockets we are providing in EE Smart Conference. Let's go to the showroom. Here we are in the showroom. The first type I am going to show you is manually rotary cubbies. We can provide it with different colors and with different specifications. For example, this one, it has QH charger wireless on the top. Inside you can see here, we have a power socket, next to it HDMI and USB. And here the second, we have the same materials with different color. It has also a QH charger on the top, and inside it has a power socket and USB and USB Type-C, HDMI and Cat6. Every type has its own specifications. For example, this one, press to raise it up. Also, this one is round type with its own specifications. It has QI wireless charger on the top, and it's worked by push. And it has its own specifications and connections, but extra it has retractable Type-C and retractable HDMI. And here we have a rectangular shape with its own specification inside. It has 2 power sockets, and also it has Type-C retractable, and also it has HDMI retractable. Actually, we have many types of these products with different specifications according to the customer requests. If you want to know more about these products and solutions we are providing in EE Smart Conference, visit our website www.eesmartconference.com. Also visit our pages in social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thank you so much.